Kyle will have this polished off in about 2 hours. Hi everybody, it's Mike, the Kangal Whisperer, from the island of Gozo, Malta. And I'm with Kyle this afternoon. Beautiful sunny day, a bit windy. And just boiled a nice big juicy bone that Kyle is really enjoying. They really love getting the meat off and then slowly grinding the bone down. And somebody on one of my previous posts said that they're not canines, they're wood chippers with with tails, and that's exactly what they are. So hope you enjoyed it. Take care everybody, love you guys, and thank you for watching and subscribing.